This NOCO motorcycle battery has impressed me from opening the box to installation and into use. The packaging promises a more powerful and longer lasting battery, and so far has been a big improvement from the old one. This battery is lithium instead of the typical lead acid one that we had been using. The old battery was about 20 pounds. Yes, we weighed it. And this new one is only 5 pounds, which means we ended up losing 15 pounds off of the weight of the bike. Not too shabby. The battery came pretty much charged. We did stick it on the charger just to make sure that it was fully charged, and it took all of 5 minutes to do. Gotta love a battery that charges super fast. In order to install it, you want to locate where the battery goes within your motorcycle and carefully remove all the pieces of the inside of the bike that cover it and possibly surround it. This is my amazing bonus dad helping me with this demonstration, since he is definitely not only the motorcycle guy in the family, but by far the most handy too. The installation was quick and painless and took a matter of minutes to change out this battery. When you're ready, carefully remove everything you need to reveal where the battery sits. Unscrew any screws holding the old battery in place. Remove said battery. Then, carefully place the new lithium battery gently into place. Once it's in there, screw those screws back in to ensure it's secure. Replace any pieces or parts you removed in the process, and voila! Brand new battery ready to rock. Once it's installed, turn the bike on to test that it works, and when it does, you're ready to ride. I highly recommend this NOCO lithium battery as a super powerful and lightweight replacement to any lead acid battery for your motorcycle.